Hey everyone, it is Josh here with HostGator. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your email account through the Thunderbird mail client. Let's get started. On the left-hand side here, I've got my cPanel open. On the right-hand side, I've got my Thunderbird mail client. Thunderbird is by far one of my favorite email clients out there. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and it's really good if you have a ton of email in your account. So if you're rocking 5, 10, 30 gigs of email and other mail clients are just struggling to keep up, Thunderbird is going to be a really great way to manage that. We'll scroll down here on the left-hand side of my control panel to click the email account section. I've got two accounts that I want to set up today, and I'm going to show you how to do it on both ways, manual and AutoDiscover. I've got me at HGAdmin and Josh Makes Tutorials. Let's start out with me at hgadmin.com. Now you're going to need your email account name, and you're also going to need your password to set this up today. On the left or the right-hand side over here, I'm going to click on Create a New Account, Email. I'm going to click Skip this and use my existing mail. Now it's going to ask me for some information, the name that I want to use that's shown to others, my email address, which is me at HGAdmin, and then my password. So you'll need to have that on file. It's really easy to reset your password over here in the cPanel if you click on the password section. So if you don't know it, it's okay if you need to reset it. I'm going to type that password or copy it in there and click Continue. It's going to do an auto configuration check to see if it's finding any of my information online. If you've already got your DNS pointed and your mail record is pointed at HostGator servers, this should be a really easy setup for you. I'm going to choose Imap. That means it's going to store all of my email on all of my devices exactly the same. POP3 means you can delete email from your phone and it'll still be on your computer and vice versa. It's also going to automatically discover your incoming and outgoing servers here. Once I have everything set, I'm going to click Done. It's going to check the password, make sure everything's working okay, and hopefully add this account right away. And voila, there it is. On the left-hand side, you can see me at HGAdmin. Click on my inbox, see all of my email. It's in there. I'm ready to go. Easy as pie, right? So now let's do another one. I'm going to click on local folders. It's going to take me back to my main section here for Thunderbird. Now I'm going to do me at Josh Makes Tutorials, but I'd actually like to do this one manually just to show you how that process works. I'm going to click Create a New Email Account. Skip this and use my existing mail. And I'm going to go through that same process, put in my email address here, make sure I've got my password set, copy that and paste it over. I'm going to click Continue, but this time I'm going to do Manual Config. So we'll click Manual Config, and as you can see, it's asking us for some good settings here. What I'm going to do is go back over to my cPanel and click up Set Up Mail Client. I'll scroll down until I see the Secure SSL TLS settings. So it's got my username, which is my email address. It tells me to use the password, and it's got my incoming and outgoing server information here. So I'm going to take this gator4038.hostgator.com. I'm going to place it both in my incoming and outgoing server sections here. As you can see, it's looking for the port for incoming and outgoing. I can see that here for Imap, it's port 993, and for outgoing, it's port 465. I am using SSL TLS settings. The username is here. It all looks good. Now what I'm going to do is click Done and wait for it to connect. And now there it is. I've got my me at Josh Makes Tutorials and my me at HGAdmin, two inboxes here in my Thunderbird account. I can manage both of them super easy, and you can add as many as you want here. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, y'all.